Alright, so the next one I'm going to show y'all is how to blend light colors. With this one, I'm going to be honest with y'all. I need my mask on because my room is getting a little paint filled. So it's starting to bother me, my nose and stuff, I'm sneezing and all that kind of stuff. So I'm sorry, but I love me. You know, yeah. So I'm gonna throw my little mask on and then I'm gonna just come in, you know what I'm saying, in between telling you what I'm doing and all that kind of stuff. So let's get it. Alright, so with this one, it's basically the same thing as the one doing the opposite colors. You want to start off with the darkest. I like to start off with the darkest because when you have the lighter colors, it's like, honestly, it blends better. When you come in, you throw your dark on there, then you come in with the lights, it blends a lot smoother in my opinion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with a darker blue, then I'm gonna come up under there with a lighter blue. But in between that dark blue and that light blue, shout out to my boy Dylan, the Jesus Custom. Y'all gonna subscribe to my dog too. I had been doing this, but he kind of gave it a name for me, you know what I'm saying? He was like, he called it the middle bar technique. So you basically want to do, what you want to do is, I just say you had a dark color. Just say I use a regular blue. Then I come up under it with a pale blue. What you want to do is, in between that dark blue and that pale blue, you want to mix that dark blue with that pale blue and spray right in between there. It's going to give you a flawless blend. That is going to separate you from most people. You know what I'm saying? Because most people going to just do two. You know what I'm saying? That's why my blends be kind of crazy. Like, you know, like the Louis joints. That's what I did on that one. So, there you go.
No, kill the other two. But it wasn't. Nature can be lethal. But it doesn't hold a candle to man. Now you've seen how bad things can get and how quick they can get that way. Well, they can get a whole lot worse. So we're not going to fight anymore. We're going to pull together and we're going to find a way to get out of here. First, we're going to seal off this.
I done seen them dirty slums, them trenches, shawty, I was deep. When you out on the field running with your woes, gotta play defense. Can't sit on the edge looking like scared, only push your feet in. These niggas ain't built like us, we been swimming on the deep end. When I'm out on the road, headed to them shows, send a couple prayers up. It done got so cold for a nigga touchdown, gotta lay up. On the phone, my young nigga in them glass walls, got him fed up. Tell them just like a nosebleed when the pressure hit you, hold your head up. On the phone, my cousin treat him like a brother, cause we love the same folks. It was way back then, watching PBS kids, no cable. Was waiting on 10 o'clock and we tapped in Nintendo. Was on that Mario, not walking around with extendos. These young niggas talk like they been killers, but they ain't built with it. Stack them hundreds up just like Wilt did it. You grip that 40 and got killed with it. You ain't got my respect, nigga, you ain't solid, nigga, you ain't built with it. Imagine your whip rolling over 4 times on the E-way. Life flash right before your very own eyes, something like a replay. Enemies in the cut trying to high five, but they really two-faced. Real nigga hold you down, got the game tied up like a shoelace. I done seen them dirty slums, them trenches, shawty, I was deep in. When you out on the field running with your woes, gotta play defense. Can't sit on the edge looking like scared, only put your feet in. These niggas ain't built like us, we been swimming on the deep end. When I'm out on the road, headed to them shows, send a couple prayers up. It done got so cold for a nigga touchdown, gotta lay up. On the phone, my young nigga in them glass walls, got him fed up. Tell them just like a nosebleed when the pressure hit you, hold your head up. On the phone, my brother treat him like a son, only cause I fed him. If you ever get bold enough to put your hands on him, send a prayer up. Who's riding around top back in that Lex, bumping that old Gucci. I'm a real street nigga, I ain't never broke bread, I don't own Gucci. I'm a real street nigga, still on the white bricks and cadet jeans. On vacation, we roll on jet skis. Haters pissed off like a testee. These niggas ain't built with it, ain't solid, he ain't never text me. Imagine your crib partner getting set up by his own gang niggas. And you saw the whole thing, but we still see you out hanging with him. How the hell?
Alright, so I'm about to I'm really that's it, but I'm gonna show y'all another color into the blue. I'm basically mixing like I guess like 4 blues. Like I told y'all, started off with the dark, then instead of me going dark, the blue, then going pale blue. I went on, what I did was I went the blue, then I mixed a little bit of the pale blue inside the blue. So that's why you didn't see me go back in between them, because I had already done that step. And then on top of that, I went on and, you know, put that pale blue on top of it. So now I'm about to go in with some gift box blue, just to show y'all, you know, another color, another way to, you know what I'm saying, tie it in, blend another light color. So let me get that going for y'all.
You explain that to your kin folks that you bang with. How the hell you explain that to your day ones that you slang with? I done seen them dirty slums, them trenches, shawty, I was deep in. When you out on the field running with your woes, gotta play defense. Can't sit on the edge looking like scared, only put your feet in. These niggas ain't built like us, we been swimming on the deep end. When I'm out on the road, headed to them shows, send a couple prayers up. It done got so cold for a nigga touchdown, gotta lay up. On the phone, my young nigga in them glass walls, got him fed up. Tell them just like a nosebleed, when the pressure hit you, hold your head up. Niggas ain't telling stories no more. Niggas ain't got no substance. I ain't feeling it at all.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Lano, key, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I pray I live to understand.
Alright, man, hopefully that helped y'all. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, it was either entertaining or helpful. You know, let me know if it's more colors that y'all need help with, you know, blending, mixing, or whatever. Just let me know what y'all want to see, man, what y'all need help with. You know, I'm here for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all support me, I'll support you right back. You hear me? So make sure you like the video and subscribe. Join the squad. You hear me? And don't think I ain't noticed. Y'all turning up on the list of subscriptions. I got something for y'all, 5Gs. Don't even trip about that. I got another one coming. 5Gs, I got you. But alright, I'ma catch you.